Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to start with the 6th chapter of economics. The name of the chapter is index number. In this part we will learn about the introduction, meaning definition, and what are the different features of index number. Now let us first start with the introduction part of the index number. In introduction we can say that index number are one of the most used statistical tools in economics. Index number is very important in economics. An index number is a device. It is a device to measure the changes in economic variable. What is index number? It is a device to measure the changes in economic variables over a long period of time. So it measures the changes which are made in the economic variables over the long period of time. Originally the index number was developed to measure the changes in the price level. So what does the index number measures? It measures the changes in the price level. So index number is mostly used to see the changes in the price level in the present context when compared to the future. So suppose if you are using the changes in the price level in the year 2019 and you can compare with the changes in the price level in the year 2020. So it is a device which measures the changes in the price level in the present context. It is also used to measure the trends in the wide variety of areas such as stock market. So index number is basically also used in stock market prices, cost of living, industrial and agricultural products changes. So it measures the changes in the stock market prices, cost of living, industrial and agricultural production changes in exports, changes in imports, etc. So index numbers are not directly measurable, but it represents the relative changes. So index number represent the relative changes. I hope the introduction part is clear to you. Now let us see the definition of index number. When we talk about the definition, one of the very important definition is given by the Croxton and Cordon. So the definition given by Croxton and Cordon is that index number are device. What is index number? It is a device for measuring differences in the magnitude. So index number is a device for measuring the differences. What are the changes in magnitude of a group of related variables? So it is a very important definition given by the Croxton and Cordon. According to Croxton and Cordon, index number are device for measuring the differences in the magnitude of group of related variables. Now let us start with the features of index number. Features of index number. There are the 8 features of index number. So when we talk about the feature, there are the 8 features of index number. The first feature is index number are statistical device. What is the first feature? That index number are statistical device. It is a tools. Index number is also the very important tool of statistics. So it is a statistical device tools which is used to measure the changes in the price level. The first feature is that index number are statistical device. I hope it is clear. Now come to the second feature. Index number are specialized average. What is index number? It is a specialized form of average. You know the averages, that mean, median, mode and all that. So among that, the index number are the specialized average. It is a specialized average which are capable of being expressed in percentage. Got? So index number is a specialized average which are capable to be expressed in percentage. So this average can be expressed in percentages. So what is the first feature? index number are statistical device, and the second one is it is a specialized average. Index number are specialized average which are capable of being expressed in percentage. So index number is specialized average. This averages can be expressed in the form of the percentage. So the first and second feature is clear. Now let us come to the third feature. What are the third feature? Index number measures the net changes in one or more related variable. So index number measures the net changes in one or more related variable over the period of time. So it measures the changes in one or more related variable over the period of time between two different time periods or two different localities. So it is a net changes. It measures, index number measures the net changes in the one or more related variable over the period of time between two time periods or between two different localities. So I hope the third feature is clear. What does the third feature says? The third feature says that the index number measures the net changes in one or more related variable over a period of time between two or different time period or different localities. I hope all the three features are clear to you. Now let us see the fourth feature. What is the fourth feature? The fourth feature says that index number which is computed, means calculated from a single variable is called the univariate index. So index number which is calculated from single variable, index number which is calculated from single variable is called the univariate index. What is univariate index? Univariate index is nothing but it is calculated from the single variable, whereas the index number which is constructed from the group of variables is called the composite index. So I hope the difference between the univariate and composite index is clear. What is univariate? So index number which is computed from the single variable, one variable, is called the univariate index, and the index number which is calculated from the group of variable is called the composite index. Is this clear? Univariate and composite index. So let us come to the fifth feature. The fifth feature is the year for which the index number is prepared is called the current year. So the year for which the index number is prepared is called the current year. Suppose we are preparing the index number for 2020, then it is called the current year. The 2020 is called the current year. So the year for which the index number is prepared is called the current year. And the sixth feature is the year for which the changes are measured. The year with which the changes are measured is called the base year. Suppose you are comparing the index number of the changes in price between 2019 and 20. So the 2019 is called the base year and 2020 is called the current year. I hope the difference between the base year and the current year is clear. Base year is that 2019 and the current year is 2020. So I hope the fifth and the sixth feature is clear to you. Now let us see the seventh feature of index number. What does the seventh feature says? The seventh feature is that the index number is assumed as 100. Index number is assumed as 100, and accordingly the value of the current year is calculated. Index number is always assumed as 100. So the base year's index number is assumed as 100, and accordingly the value of the current year is calculated. So the base year index number is always taken as the 100, and according to this the value of the current year is calculated. Now the eighth one is index number are also referred to barometer of economic activity. So index number is also said to be the barometers of economic activities, since it is used to measure the trend and changes in the economy. So index number is said to be the barometer of economic activity because it is used to measure the trends and the changes which are taking place in the economy.